Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a couple of plants that I ordered. This is a variegated string of hearts and the regular string of hearts. I ordered this from Nature's Planters. They're a small garden shop from California. It came in pretty quick. I ordered this actually 3 days ago and it came in today, so I'm pretty excited to see what is in the box. Some paper coverings. Let's see what we've got here. This paper towels help keep moisture in, so that's a plus. Always a concern when you order plants and you're getting them shipped, but I read a lot of reviews from this company. I actually talked to one of the guys, I think his name was Tory. He was extremely nice. So let's see what we've got here. Keep extra. This is the variegated string of hearts. Look at that. Look at that. That's exactly what I wanted to see. And the greatest thing is these were shipped and they look just as nice as the pictures do on the website. How cool is that? Just as pretty as I thought they would be. It's awesome. Now let's see what we got next. Pardon my dirty fingernails, I have been in the dirt today. Let's see what we've got here. All right, this is, okay, so I think we've got multiple strands of the variegated string of hearts. This is actually a 2-inch, and this is a 4-inch, so, okay. Let's see what we've got here. This is actually a pretty long string of hearts. That's nice. That is nice. Oh, it looks good. It's even kind of moist still in there as well, so that looks really good. All right, let's see what we've got here. And this should be the regular. I think the fancy name for this plant is Variegated woodii. I think I'm saying it right. Awesome. It looks nice. This plant has actually budded some flowers on this before it was shipped. So that's pretty cool. That is nice. That is it. It is, I'm pleased. I think it's really nice. It's what I wanted, and I think it's really pretty. So you could tell the difference between the variegated here and the regular string of hearts. Okay, so I want to show you all how I unraveled the strands. And look how nice and long they are. And they were wrapped up for safety, but you get a very decent length of strands. Those are really nice. I'm impressed. It's exactly what the picture looks like. Thank you. All right, so if you all want these, go to Nature's Planters